Firstly, we're going to reduce the amount of sourdough in the recipe so that we can leave it for a full day to rise, meaning we can go out and do a full day's work or whatever and not have to worry about making sourdough. The second thing is we're going to mix it fully. This is kneading in my Wilfa Pro Baker, and because it's so stable, I can just leave it for 10 minutes and go do whatever else I want. In this case, I'm going to make a coffee and read some emails and maybe even play with a dog. After that, what you need to do is ensure that the dough is fully kneaded so it's smooth and elastic. And that is literally it. 10 minutes of work where you basically did nothing. You then shape the dough into a ball, pop it into a grease container, and allow it to double in size. And this will take 12 hours, meaning literally you can do whatever you want during the day. You don't have to think about it. Then, as per any other sourdough recipe, you're just going to shape it into a loaf. In this case, I made 2. I do a quick pre-shape, but if you wanted, you could even skip that. This dough is really nice and strong, even after a 12-hour rest. Then we're going to pop it into our proofing baskets once it's shaped. And then at this stage, we have a ton of flexibility. I like to leave it overnight before I even attempt to bake it, but realistically, you could leave this up to 2 days and bake it whenever you want. You might think this hands-off approach makes bread that's not quite as good, but you'd be wrong. This is still some of the best bread I've ever made. It's absolutely delicious and just incredibly easy.